You can easily add in animations inside of objects in VistaCreate. But another type of objects that you can bring in are animated objects. So to do that, you need to go around onto the object section and then go around onto the animated section right here. So once you do that, you can see that there's different objects that you can bring in, and they are animated. They are pre-animated. For example, if I were to go around and bring this, you can see that they are animated. So you want to create small animated designs, then you can utilize these animations right here. You can go around and bring in, let's say, for example, this one right here. So this is animated as well. You can go around and, let's say, for example, bring in this, and you can see that they have particular movements to it. And if you want to create out animations, you want to export out a short video, then what you can do is you can utilize this easily. You can press on the play button to preview how the animation looks as well. And on top of this, you can go around and then apply out different animation effects to them as well, like move right here. And you can go around and add in, let's say, for example, fade or flash right here, just like this, or shake right here, or spin, as you can see, just like this. Let me just go around onto scale, and for this one, let me just go around for wobble. And if I were to play this, you can see that the objects are animated on its own, and there is a movement in the beginning as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize animated objects inside of VistaCreate projects to make the designs look much more interesting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.